Hello guys, this is our pipe network part number 4. In previous video, we created the surface and alignment line of the distribution man, gravity man and the pressure network. Now in this chapter, we will learn then how to we create and assign the labels to contours and how to create the alignment and assign the labels also alignment. So this is now our file is somehow heavy. So these big points now I am going to close. See, you come to here surface property and no display and apply, then okay, then it's not displaying. So file some lightweight now. Okay, so first we have to create the contours level. Just you click on your surface, then you will see here the add labels option. Just click here in down arrow and add the surface labels here. Just click once and here you can choose the options where you want to apply, and here you can choose option also. So here first we'll use contour multiple at interval. So just once click here, then you see the existing major labels and minor labels, and under the contour the major labels. Just you click here add. Okay, then it's asking select the surface or press the enter key. You can select from here, or if you enter like that, yes, then here you will keep the distribution network. This is our surface name. Just say okay. It's asking pick the point where you want to apply the your contours. Just I will take from here to one line and we come to here. Just click and it's asking contour interval 100 meter 100 meter. I'm put here 200 meters, then say to enter. Just wait. Okay, it's already applied the labels. You can see here 200 means from the here to there 200 meter distance. Every 200 meter it's applied. You see the labels here, elevation labels are there. This elevation, this one, this one, this elevation, this one, and this one. They're different as a level. Huh? Already elevation labels assigned to our contours. Another one options are there. We just check here our surface, and here have to spot elevations. One thing is this, but spot elevation. This is the important things. Like you click once here, select your surface. Okay, then where you want to know the elevation, just click in this place. This is the elevations, and this place is this elevation. Like where you want, just click, automatically create the spot levels there. Okay, so this like this we can apply the levels to anywhere in our surface area. Out of surface it will be not create, you see, off. So inside where you want you can create. So mostly these two options we are using for the assigning label to our surface, means contour labels. Okay, so I think you understood. If not understood, you can comment. I will tell to them. Okay, so I think this chapter is the now finish the how do we create the labels for the contours, means our surface. Okay, now I can close. Now we have to create the alignments. So first we have to create alignment our pipe pressure network here. Then I will explain everything there. So how to first we have to create an alignment. So go to here, see the alignment, click down, drop down arrow, and here many options are there. Okay, you just choose the alignment from the objects. Just click once here. We want to start from here or there. Okay, just click here once. Okay, then hit enter. Okay, you want to reverse, then you select the reverse, otherwise enter again once. Okay, this window open, you give to your alignment name. I'm giving to here name the pressure main. Okay, just not going to change the style, and you leave it here, and curve we need. Okay, and we have to erase the existing, not erasing, just say to okay. See our alignment already created here, and we can just assign the labels. How to assign? Just click here, then right click and come to here, edit alignment labels and edit alignment styles, properties, more options are here, also here, but I am using the right click. Then we have to go there, edit alignment labels. We have to choose the option here, the three options. One is the parallel with tick, or perpendicular with line, or perpendicular with a tick. So if we choose the line, then it will be a extension the lines, otherwise small tick you will get. So just I am choosing this one. Okay, then here say to add, we add, and here saying every 20 meter, but I want every 50 meters. Then 50 meter we apply here. Okay, then next we say the another parallel with tick, perpendicular, this as you like, you can choose here any. Okay, and minor, then you see come here minor stations, then with only tick. Okay, then we have to add, and 25 meters automatically he created. Other, if you want to apply more, the options are here, but major and minor is the most of the label for the our alignment. Just apply here once, then say to click OK. Now you can see the chainage, means this labels are assigned to our all the alignment. So you come here, and our pipe total length is the 33.883 kilometers. Okay, so this already we created here, and here money alignments we have to create, same way have to be used here. Just go to here and down arrow and choose the object and click, select our alignment where you want to start this, and hit enter. Then we don't want a reverse, so again enter once. Then we give to name here gravity main, gravity main. Okay, and nothing we have to change here, nothing we have to change here, and we not erase this one. Okay, okay, no label, or if you want you can select either major and minor only, it will be show the label and creating time. Okay, see here labels are there. Okay, just I'm this point I'm going to hide here. Go to point group properties, here basic, no, none, none, nothing show, just okay. And another one, this point, just click point group properties, here none, here also none, then apply and okay. So this label say point labels no disturbance. Now you see here is the, this is the parallel, and here we created in the pressure is the perpendicular. So how to do we this label perpendicular? Just we have to select once, right click, same option, edit the alignment label style here. So the just we can here cross it, select and cross it, then go to here and choose the perpendicular with ticks. Okay, add, and here minor, yes, then tick, and this one first we have to make it the 50 meters. Okay, and now the second one we have to add again, it will 25 automatic, apply and okay. See label has been changed, and this is now the perpendicular. It's looking nice. Okay, so this is the our gravity main. We will construct a tank here and start the distribution lines. So how to, again, the distribution line, we have to create the alignments. Just go select here and create from the object, and just click once here, then hit enter. Don't want to reverse, then again hit enter. Give to name, distribution means D1, okay, line, and we can erase, no problem, it's there. And major minor we have to apply here. Just select. See, this alignment has been created there automatically here. And next we have to repeat again same, again enter, and we give to name the number 2, distribution number 2, and we'll select and then okay. Yes, see here curve also automatically created, and the very smooth our pipelines then here. Next one, same enter, to repeat the same command, and select it and enter again. Then we have give to name the number 3. Okay, just say okay. See, already we created. Next one, again enter for recall the same command for alignment, then select enter, and here we have to give to name number 4 and direct hit the OK. See, automatically the curve has come. So we don't want curve, we will change the next time the curve, how to edit I will tell to you. Okay, then again we have to repeat our same command and click once here, then enter, then give to name alignment number the 5, distribution 5, and here we close this so it will be not appear the curve. Okay, just click. See, now no curve here 90 degree. Okay, and next again we have to select it. Okay, from this side to this side. Okay, no problem. Or if you want from that side to this side, then you can say reverse. Okay, then give to name the alignment number 6. Okay, and remove this so curve will not come, and or erase the existing. Okay, see, same, again same, or you can choose from here again object alignment, and we want from here to there, then select no reverse, and here we give to name number 7. Okay, nothing we change, just we have to change is the don't want curve, so uncheck it. Okay, again next again enter for recall this command. Just click enter, and give to name number the 8. Okay, just remove, uncheck this, and okay. See, this also good. Again same, select enter, then give to name 9 number alignment. Here uncheck this curve. Okay, it's finished. So our all alignment has the created. You can see this is the gravity man, this is the distribution man, and this is the our pressure network. And here you see the select once this. Okay, and go to here the alignment geometry, here you can choose option for create the your alignment here, otherwise no need. Again just select here and go to the alignment properties. Then here you can see many things there. Here station information, the name of the alignment, station control. This is the like this, you can see from here to here, from here to there, all are the showing, and masking also there, no problem. Point insertion, see, this is the by change in the alignment direction, like this points, geometry points, and it will be show you this one direction. And yeah, here is the constellation adding, and here you see the alignment मतलब क्या है, design creator. Here you see these things all are showing, you can choose as you like. Okay, and here there's design speed, this is the for the road purpose. Okay, so now it cancel. Again right click here and property you will see, and edit alignment styles. Then you go here and you see first the information means then the style is name is the proposed, and design enable radius map. No, we don't want, and markers. Okay, you see here, and displaying what you want to see, what you off, you can layer the same, this you can off and close it. And here you see the again as edit a label already we seen. If you want to see again, you can see here the labels we can assign from here. Okay, like we can change here, then you just click and cross it, and click and cross it, then choose the perpendicular with ticks. Okay, and add, and 20 meter, I think in distribution 20 meter is the okay. Okay, then select here minor and add. Okay, then apply and then say okay. Okay, so see, you see we change the labels here. And another thing, say go to alignment property, alignment styles, style already you seen. You can see here information, design, marker, displaying. Okay, marker you understood. These things, point iteration, this all information are here, geometry all are here. Okay, and line, see curve, styles, intersections, and display means this is the layer. Okay, so I think you understood very well. Next, in the next chapter, we will create the profile for the all the our alignments for this pressure network, distribution, and the gravity bands. So I think you understood very well. Thanks for watching.